Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Happy Christmas Eve for those of you who celebrate Christmas. Today I have been commissioned to do a Lazy Susan for a client. And so she wanted to do something just monochromatic. So we want to go with white, black, and gray. So I did a wood round just for some samples to give her an idea of what the color palette would look like. So she liked that. So today I'm going to be doing a Lazy Susan for her. It's going to be really easy. It's just a couple of flip cups using those three colors. Obviously it won't look exactly like that, but it's going to look, you know, same color wise, so it'll be good. Anyways, I hope everyone has a wonderful... So let's get down onto the Lazy Susan and get started. Be right back. All right, so I've got a 15-inch Lazy Susan, and like I said, my client wants to use just three colors: white, black, and silver. They wanted a gray too, but the white and the black and the gray combining is going to, or the white, black, and silver combining is going to give some shades of gray anyway, since silver is kind of a shade of gray. So I'm not going to use an actual gray this time. They want the, Peggy would like to have negative space, so we're going to go with flooding the Lazy Susan turntable here with white. Then I'm gonna do some two flip cups. So I want to be able to have some good negative space here, but what I want to do is be able to have enough paint to tilt off and move it up and down, still keeping enough white on both sides. All right, so first what I'll do is I will fill up my cups. So since I have two light colors and a dark color, I'm gonna fill these up with white first. So let's put some white in the bottom. And I'm not gonna need a whole lot of paint, so these are little 7-ounce plastic cups. So we'll do white there like that. And then we'll do some black. We'll do a lot of silver. And that'll be enough paint that I could flip them here, and then I can maneuver how I want. So we're gonna put out some white here. Just move this all around, all the way up to the edge. Put this right here. Put this one right here. Got a lot of paint here I get to work with. So I'm just gonna pick it up and tilt. So I get to lose all the stuff that I don't want. Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. Oh, this is beautiful.
While we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing, just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Play it with me under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're
Oh, yeah.
feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace.
All right, I didn't think this through, the cleanup. Hang tight 1 second. I'm gonna clean up this mess so I can put this back under the camera.
To wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day. A Merry Christmas Day. Oh, yeah.
Right. We're gonna leave this right here. Gonna give it a torch.
Lovely song I've heard before, as we walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas.
Okay, here we are with the wet result. Like the negative space. Exactly what she was looking for there. Got some really cute cells here. Got the black, the white, and that black and white mixing with the gray really creates a nice little gray tone. I think that goes well with that practice run I did. Okay everyone, that's gonna do it for today's video. So it is still drying, so I can't even pick it up to show you guys, but it's gonna be really, really nice. It'll get a couple of coats of resin on this, and then I can ship it out to her. So thank you so much for watching, everyone. Thank you for your support all year long. You have no idea what it has meant to me. I am going to be kicking things up in 2026. I'm gonna try to get back to doing 2 videos. I'm gonna be getting stuff on the website on a more regular basis. And I'm going to be getting ready for FAE in April. So if you want to come and take some classes from me, you can go over to Fluid Art Experience website and register. All right, everyone. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and I'll see you when I see you. Maybe next Sunday, I don't know. I got to talk to Nina and Nate, see if we're going to do anything before New Year's. All right. Have a great Christmas. Bye-bye.